All right, I hope you've enjoyed this Garmin inReach mini tutorial. I really have done my very best to cover everything you can imagine so that when you go out on your adventure, you're gonna know how to handle your device and get some help if you are ever in a life-threatening situation. But beyond that, if you're not in a life-threatening situation, I hope you feel comfortable about how to track back, how to message, how to navigate. Because the Garmin inReach Mini 2 can really help make your adventure a lot more enjoyable, and I never thought I would like them as much as I do. I actually love being on a trail by myself or with a small group of friends, but I do like having technology when it makes my life easier and things more convenient. If you want to know more about the Garmin inReach Mini 2, check out the playlist here and in the description below, because I cover everything in small pieces. And as I've done here today in this tutorial, I've broken it all down, but you'll see in that playlist that it's all in short little chunks, maybe 2, 3, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. If you still have questions, leave a comment below or contact Garmin or chat with Garmin or look up support.garmin for your answers, because these devices are great, but you really need to know how to use them. Thanks for joining me out here on this tutorial at Outdoor Emergency Tech, and I'll see you back out here in Colorado in the next video.